Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about shocks, struts, and suspension components for your vehicle and how important they are. To be honest with you, worn out shocks and struts prevent the vehicle's tires from staying properly on the ground, which often causes cupping, can cause an unsafety situation, such as the vehicle start to bounce when you start to brake. New shocks and struts, or working properly shocks and struts, shorten the braking distance and the safety of your vehicle becomes extremely more predictable. Now, other items that can cause problems are worn out components that are inspected when we replace shocks and struts. But to be honest with you, struts should be looked at minimum 100,000 miles and be replaced at that point without question. The ride quality and the safety you get from replacing shocks and struts is amazing, and most people will say after 100,000 miles replacing these, the vehicle runs 100% better and rides 100% better. So make sure that if your vehicle is nearing the 100,000 mile mark, the shocks and struts are looked at and replaced. If before that you get a shock or strut that is leaking, they need to be replaced immediately. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.